Okay, so tell you a little bit about myself. I will try to be make this short because I can go on about my careers for hours. I've had a lot of fun, so I'll try to keep it short and sweet. So I started off by drawing as a child. From pencil and paper, moved on to faces and brushes and paints, and then started freelancing as a teenager. From there, I've always been fascinated by human behavior, what truly makes a human happy, why can they be in a situation that's meant to make them happy and they're still not feeling happy. So at 18, went into the fitness industry, had to go through extensive training and customer service, etc., to be able to provide great customer service to customers and design a fitness plan for them to live a healthy lifestyle. Became number one in sales across the nation, worldwide at times, etc., wherever there was a Bally Total Fitness. From there, I went into my freelance makeup artistry, really dedicated myself, lots of researching, keeping up with trends, what's the latest, what never goes out, a staple looks that never go out of trend, skincare, what do men love, what do women love when it comes down to skincare, and the latest techniques when it came down to makeup, etc. Got recruited into Mac Nordstrom, was there for 5 years, took the lead in sales, uh, uh, gave makeup like tutorials where people would pay to come and purchase products and do their makeup, follow along. Lots of fun. And then I didn't want to be in sales anymore. I wanted more. I wanted to become information rich in psychology. And I was getting the hands on with dealing with people who were highly stressed, with the weddings from different backgrounds, different cultures, but the same level of stress, right? And then having to calm them down and in a stressful situation helped me understand, how the science behind the brain, etc., but not in a level, not on a level of a like professor. So, and then my son. Okay, so cool fact about myself. So I was born 30 years after Albert Einstein died. Um, I had a baby with my childhood friend, Albert, and my son's name is Albert, and he's a total genius. He's a water sign, like Albert Einstein. He was a water sign. So, anyways, my son's a genius, and I couldn't help him with his homework. So I went back to get my GED. Then I went back to college, and I've been there, and I just absolutely love school. It's stressful at times, but I love it. I love everything I'm learning, and nothing can take that away from me. And I want everyone on this planet to go to school and become information rich. And I feel that my past experiences will help me be an asset to this position that I'm applying for. As far as assessing my colleagues and doing research and their critical thinking and, coming up with or putting a presentation together, reworking things and making improvements makes me think of one of my professors, actually three of my professors who are diligently working with me right now to make sure that, according to my brain and its function and how I work, that I don't fall so behind where I feel that my only option is dropping, because that shouldn't be the only option. That if not giving up isn't in your radar, then there's beautiful ways to collaborate and make it happen. And my professors are tailoring what their pre-made curriculum according to me. It's customized according to me, and I know they're doing that for the rest because that's just they're empathetic. They have high EQs, and it really takes all of that in order to be able to customize something for someone to help them get to, a great outcome. And it would be an honor to be able to, do that and collaborate with these highly educated people, professors, and collaborate in making an environment more pleasant for students who are stressed out. Because as a student, I hang out with my friends while we're walking to classes, and I like to just pick at their brains and have my own little research going on. And students are stressed, and most of them are. So to come in and bring in different ideas and give speeches or, you know, um, presentations to inspire and motivate students to not give up and keep things organized for whoever my boss may be will be a fulfilling position for me. So yes, I hope that answered the question.